In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshcaller through Freshsales demo. Once Freshcaller is integrated with your Freshsales account, you'll see a small phone widget appear, typically at the bottom left or along the bottom of your screen. This is your control center for calling, whether you're practicing in a demo environment or placing real calls in day-to-day work. The flow is the same, so it's a great way to build confidence before going live. Before we place a call, make sure your headset and microphone are connected and that your browser has permission to use them. A quick audio check can save you from awkward silence when the call connects. It's also helpful to close bandwidth-heavy tabs so your call quality stays crisp. To make a call, start by clicking the phone widget. If you have multiple business numbers assigned to you, you'll see a drop-down that lets you choose which number to call from. Pick the number that makes the most sense for your conversation, since that's the caller ID your contact will see. This is especially useful if you handle different regions or teams. Next, you have two simple ways to place the call. The first is to search for an existing record. In the widget search bar, type the name of the contact or lead, or enter their phone number if you have it handy. When the matching record appears, click it, and you're ready to initiate the call right from that profile context. This keeps everything connected to your CRM data, so you're not jumping between tools. If you don't have a record yet, or you simply want to dial directly, use the keypad inside the widget. Enter the full phone number, including the appropriate country code when needed, then start the call. Taking a moment to confirm the number format prevents misdials and ensures the call routes correctly. As you work, remember that the widget is designed to stay out of your way while still being easy to reach. You can keep your Freshsales tabs open, review deal details, or glance at recent activity while you place your call, which helps you sound prepared and personalized. When Freshcaller is integrated, the same phone widget also handles incoming calls, so everything related to your calling activity lives in one familiar place. That's the core workflow. Open the widget, choose your outbound number if applicable, search and click a contact to call or dial manually with the keypad. Practice it in the demo environment, and you'll be ready for real conversations without missing a beat.